déplacer. Basically, déplacer we use for to shift. Pen down. To shift movement from one place to another. This term we call as déplacer. If you want to move from now, for example, you want to move yourself from one place to another in French. Now, for example, I will say, I want to move to Canada. I want to use the bus to go to the metro station. So these type of movement we call as déplacer. Répétez après moi, déplacer. Can you repeat, please?
Déplacer.
Yes, very important. Say Claire. Now, répétez après moi, lutter. Because these types of verbs, vocab will add on something in your French. Because you know what? Language is based upon the content. The more you have content, the more you can speak the language out. Say Claire. So répétez après moi, lutter. Can you repeat, please? Lutter.
Lutter.
And
Lutter.
language में participate करना है आपको. You have to participate with me. Lutter is to against, fight. You know, for example, you say we have to fight against pollution. We have to fight against blah blah. So these terms we call as lutter. Can you repeat, please?
Lutter.
Lutter.
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît, and participate with me. Lutter. Lutter, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre fight against. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes.
So can you
Yes.
repeat, please? Déplacer.
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 Lutter. Now I will give you,
Lutter.
yes, because you know what? We'll work for a synonym. Because why we're working for this, Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, we already have done 2-3 sessions with these synonyms. You already have the right. Because the more you have a content in TEF, because TEF में क्या होता है, आपके पास content होना बहुत जरूरी है. Clear? एक language है content. So repeat after me. Combattre. Repeat after me.
Combattre.
Combattre. Miss language वापस. Repeat after me. Combattre. Can you repeat, please?
Combattre.
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 What is combattre?
Lutter.
Basically, combattre is to fight. Fight in terms of, if I will say, we have to fight against the pollution. We have to fight against the garbage. We have to fight against this virus. We have to fight against blah blah. So these terms, how we can write this? Combattre. Repeat after me. Combattre.
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 Lutter.
Lutter.
Battre.
Battre.
Battre is
Combattre.
again your fight. S'abattre. Repeat after me. S'abattre.
S'abattre.
Disputer.
S'abattre.
Disputer.
Disputer.
Se bagarre.
Sabagari.
Sabagare.
We use for fight. So can you repeat the language, please? Now, for example, if I, because obviously आपका reading portion भी आएगा वहाँ पे, listening भी आएगा. So for this reason, we are working for TEF vocab first. Because we have a reading, we have listening, we have writing also, we have listening also, speaking also. Clear? So, répétez après moi. Déplacer.
Déplacer.
Combattre.
Combattre.
Battre.
Combattre.
Lutter.
Lutter. Battre.
Battre. Battre.
Battre. Sav.
Se battre. Dispute.
Sabagari.
Dispute.
Se bagarre.
Disputer. Sabagar.
Repeat
सा-
करते रहो please. Repeat please.
रे
Déplacer,
Déplacer, lutter,
déplacer,
combattre,
lutter. Very good.
battre,
Mhm.
se battre, disputer, se bagarrer.
Exactly. Now repeat after me. Oliader. Repeat after me. Oliader. Repeat please.
ओ रे द
Oliader. Literally आप बोलते हो instead of बोलते हो आप. You say in English instead of, like instead of
यस
doing this we can go blah blah. Instead of doing this, instead of. Why I'm using these type of terms? Because this is directly we use these vocab. क्योंकि वहां पे आपको क्या करना होता है, सेक्शन बी का जो टास्क होता है, यू हैव टू कन्विंस योर एग्जामिनर with your speaking. So repeat after me. Oliader. Repeat after me.
Oliader,
ओलियादा
Repeat after moi. Oliader. This is
Oliader,
very important.
ओलियादा
C'est clair? So repeat after moi. Pratiquement. Pratiquer. Repeat after me. Pratiquer.
pratiquer,
प्रातिके
Pratiquer is to practice. Repeat after me. Pratiquer. C'est clair? So can you repeat the language, please? देखो जो जो हम अब बोल रहे हैं, whatever we are using the terms, I can use in French. Now, déplacer,
déplacer,
déplacer
lutter,
lutter,
combattre,
combattre,
combattre
se
battre
battre,
se battre,
disputer,
disputer,
se
se
bagarrer,
bagarrer,
au lieu de,
Sabagari ओलियादा
pratiquer.
pratiquer,
C'est clair?
प्रातिके
D'accord? So can you repeat again? Déplacer, lutter, combattre, se battre, disputer, se bagarrer, au lieu de, pratiquer. C'est clair? 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 Now,
déplacer
whatever we are using, अब using, because हम एक verb उठाएंगे use. So repeat after me. Employee. Repeat after me, please. Employee. Repeat करो language.
employé,
employé
Why? EM
employé,
sound is on. The sound of EM is on.
on,
And the ending of ER is A. The sound of ending of ER is A. So repeat after me. Now we have phonetics also. So EM sound is on.
employé,
Yes. Employé. Utiliser. Repeat after me. Utiliser. Employé. What is this? To use something. Use the vocabulary. Employé. Utiliser. Repeat after me. Utiliser. Now, for example, you are consuming something. You are consuming something. Consommer. Repeat after me. Consommer.
consommer,
Can you repeat, please?
consommer,
Yes.
consommer
Repeat because these. देखो क्या होता है लैंग्वेज में कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आता है आपको whenever you do not have the vocab. For this reason, 3-4 days we are working for the weightage of the vocabulary, which directly hit your B1 and B2 pattern. Is it clear to you? Clear? So can you repeat please? Employee.
consom,
देखो कोई matter.
employé
Whether you are a beginner doesn't matter. It is just we have to work for the vocabulary first in French. So répétez après moi. Déplacer, lutter,
déplacer,
lutter,
lutter
combattre,
combattre
se battre,
battre, se
disputer,
battre, disputer,
se
disputer
se
bagarrer,
bagarrer,
au
sabagare
lieu de,
ओलियादा
employer,
प्रातिके
हाँ, pratiquer,
pratiquer,
employer,
employer,
utiliser,
utiliser,
लीजिए
consommer.
consommer,
If I ask you, Tell me the synonym for use. Utiliser, employer, consommer. C'est clair? Clair?
Clair.
Lutter, combattre. C'est clair? Bolo, n égal. Repeat after me. N égal. Because
Egal.
iron sound is n égal.
Egal.
N égal we call as unequal. Repeat after me. N égal.
Egal.
Very important. Instable. Repeat after me. N égal.
Estable.
Instable. Repeat after me, please. N égal.
Estable.
Egal.
Unstable. You know, you use the term unstable, right? Unsettled, unequal. Unequal, we have n egal because यहाँ पे e we have a sound. यहाँ पे e के ऊपर आप a का symbol लेके जाना, ये वाला symbol. Clear? N egal, instable. Instable c'est dire quoi? C'est votre unstable. So repeat after me. N egal. Repeat after me.
Egal.
Instable.
Estable.
D'accord. So repeat please. Instable, perturbé.
Estable.
Repeat after me.
Estable.
This is Bolo language ko. Perturbé. Perturbé
Perturbé.
is unstable and to disturb. To disturb something. Perturbé. Repeat after me. Perturbé. Can you repeat please?
Perturbé.
Perturbé is to
Perturbé.
disturb. Uncertainty. You know, you say it is very uncertainty, is very uncertain. Incertain. Incertain. These are the vocabularies for, because if you really want to clear your TEF examination, TEF is only clear with the help of the workshops. The workshops which we are doing. It is not we are working for the, you know, obviously.
Excuse me, sir.
Mhm.
The meaning of instable.
Instable is
Instable.
instable, unstable, unstable, which is not stable. Say clair.
Okay.
Okay. Perturbé, disturbed. Perturbé, incertain. Repeat after me. Incertain. Uncertain is uncertainty. You know, you say it is very uncertain. Uncertain. Incertain. Say clair. Can you repeat, please? Instable.
Estable. Perturbé.
Instable.
Perturbé.
Perturbé.
Incertain. अच्छा,
Incertain.
समझो कि why we are working for this directly. क्या होता है कि जब आप लैंग्वेज को बोलते हो तो आपके पास vocabularies नहीं होती हैं टेफ में, और ये सारी टेफ vocabularies हैं. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Non akite. Repeat after me. Non akite. Unacknowledged. Non akite. Repeat after me. Non akite. Unacknowledged. Méfiant. Repeat after me. Méfiant. Very important. Use karo. Méfiant. Méfiant. What I can say. Suspicious. Méfiant. Méfiant is suspicious. Is it clear to you? To beware of. Méfier. Repeat the language, please. Méfiant. Méfiant. Can you repeat, please? Méfiant.
Méfiant.
Méfiant. I understand these are the vocabularies which is something like you to practice to engrave those vocabularies. Obviously, how you can start this thing? You can do practice with the session because session is under recording. So I will share the recording also. Repeat after me. Déplacer, oublier de, pratiquer, lutter, combattre, battre, disputer. Because अगर जब आप language के flow में जब आओगे, you will say very unstable. It is very unequal. It disturbed something. It is very uncertain. It is very suspicious. So what to say in French? Say Claire, Mademoiselle Chima, Lakhanpal, या कृति madam.
Claire.
Say Claire. So
Clear.
repeat after me. N égale. Répétez après.
Inégal.
Estable,
Stable.
Stable.
perturbé,
Perturbé.
incertain,
Incertain.
non acquitté
Non acquitté.
Non-active.
is unacknowledged. Just for example, I'm saying I'm just using the vehicle, petrol vehicle, without any acknowledgement, unacknowledged. Okay, I'm not looking of the side effects. I'm just using it out. Non acquitté, méfier, MEFIER, méfier. Méfier is to beware of. Méfier. This méfier is beware of. C'est clair. Méfiant. Suspicious. Sans habitants. Répétez après moi. Sans. Why
Son.
sans? Let me explain to you why sans. AN sound is on. AN sound is on. And one thing you have to understand, my team. If your word is ending from S, that would be silent. Say Claire. In French language, if your word is ending from S, that would be silent. Say Claire. Now, one thing again you have to understand. Starting of H, any word is starting of H, that would be silent. Say Claire.
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 Clear.
अब जब मैं स्टार्टिंग ऑफ एच को जब करूंगा साइलेंट तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आबीतों क्या हो जाएगा ये आबीतों व्हाई आबीतों इसको रीड ऑन करो व्हाई आबीतों बिकॉज एन साउंड इज ओ एन साउंड इज ओ and ending of E and S would be silent. So repeat after me. Abiton. Abiton. Repeat karo please. Abiton.
Habito.
One thing you have to understand.
Small.
Any word is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel क्योंकि H would be silent. H would be silent. तो मेरा sounds क्या आ रहा है vowel का sound आ रहा है आबीतों. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
So in that
Yes.
case I have to combine the sound. Consonant sound, ending of consonant sound and the vowel starting sound. I have to combine this. So za, I'm using za. Sans habitants. C'est clair. Can you repeat, please? Sans habitants.
Sans habitants. Sans
Sans
habitants.
habito.
Literally meaning of sans is without. Preposition है मेरा ये. Literally meaning of sans is without. Without inhabitants. Sans habitants. Sans habitants.
Habito.
It means
Sans
without
habitants.
inhabitants. C'est clair.
Claire.
Is it clear to you?
Clear.
Sans habitants without inhabitants. C'est clair? So repeat after me, please. Instable,
Stable.
perturbé.
Stable.
Perturbé.
Perturbé.
1 second, please. Okay, repeat all the vocabularies. Déplacer,
Déplacer.
Déplacer.
Combattre.
Contact.
Battre.
Battre. Sabattre.
Disputer.
Very good.
Bagare.
Olivier.
Only.
Order.
Olivier.
Olivier. Pratiquer.
Pratiquer.
Consommer.
Omlier.
employé, répétez après
employé,
moi, employé,
employé,
utiliser, utiliser,
utiliser,
consommer,
utiliser,
consommer,
consommer,
inégal,
inégal,
instable, instable,
instable,
perturbé, répétez après moi,
Perturbé,
perturbé,
incertain,
hein? Repeat after me, incertain, non
écarté,
acquitté,
non acquitté,
non
c'est clair,
acquitté,
méfiant,
méfiant,
méfier,
méfiant,
méfier,
méfiant,
sans habitants.
sans
sans
habitants,
habitants,
Yes, repeat after me, sans habitants, c'est clair,
sans
sans habitants,
habitants,
c'est clair. Repeat करो please. Repeat करो two times. Déplacer, lutter, because all leader, repeat the language.
lutter, combattre, battre,
Combattre,
s'abattre,
s'abattre, disputer, se bagarrer, employer.
s'abagarrer,
Yes, repeat please. Se bagarrer,
employer,
employer, utiliser,
pratiquer,
pratique,
employer, utiliser,
inégal,
consommer,
mhm,
inégal,
instable,
instable,
perturbé,
perturbé,
perturbé, incertain, incertain,
incertain,
non acquitté,
incertain, non
non
acquitté,
acquitté,
non acquitté,
non
méfiant,
méfier,
méfier,
sans habitants. Répétez après moi.
sans habitants,
Can you repeat one more time, please? Can you repeat one more time, please?
déplacer,
Mm-hmm.
lutter, combattre, battre, s'abattre,
Mm-hmm.
disputer,
Mm-hmm.
s'abagarrer,
Mm-hmm.
oliada,
Mm-hmm.
pratiquer, employer,
Mm-hmm.
utiliser,
Mm-hmm.
consommer,
Mm-hmm.
inégal,
Mm-hmm.
instable,
Instable.
perturbé,
Repeat after me. Instable.
instable,
ना ना बल नहीं. No no no. हमें एक्शन पे काम करना है अपने.
and
Estable. Repeat after me. Estable. Estable.
instable,
ना ना.
instable,
Estable. No. क्योंकि we are working for because deaf में we have to have a good pronunciation, right? तो estable,
right,
estable,
stable,
yes, clear, estable,
stable,
clear, d'accord, ओके प्रैक्टिस करना है सेशन पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग पे है Actually वो आपको आएगा वो
okay,
एक्सेंट से क्लियर d'accord, ओके perturber incertain बोलो प्लीज
perturbé, incertain, non acquitté, méfiant, sans
méfier
habitants, méfier,
méfier c'est
méfier,
sans habitants.
sans habitants.
Is it clear to you? Lakhanpal Madhuan, is it clear to you?
yeah,
Clear? Now we have verb which is very important. Konsai. Repeat after me. Konsai. देखो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? I am directly working for TEF because मुझे उसको uplift करना है with your A1 to B2 pattern. And obviously we'll add on some C1 pattern also. But use these terms first. Konsai. Repeat after me. Konsai. Konsai is to advise. Repeat after me. Konsai. Can you repeat, please?
consay,
Konsai. Can you repeat, please?
consay,
Repeat after me.
consay,
Conseil,
Lavi. Lavi we call it as opinion. Use these terms. According to my opinion, Lavi. Konsai. According to my advice, repeat after me. Selom. Language repeat karo, please. Selomoa. Can you repeat, please? Selomoa.
selon moi,
Why Selomoa?
Selma,
Yes, repeat, please. Why
selon
Selomoa? Because moi, moi. OI sound is wa. What is the sound of OI? Tell me. OI sound is wa in French. Moi, moi is me. What to say me in French? Moi. Repeat after me. Moi. Can you repeat, please?
Moi,
Moi.
moi,
Selon.
c'est moi.
Selon is
C'est le
according.
moi.
Selon is according. Selon is according, and moi is me. If I will say according to me, you say according to me. Selon moi. What to say according to me? Selon moi.
C'est le
Repeat
moi.
after me. Very
C'est le moi.
yes. Repeat after me. Selon moi. Repeat after me. Selon
Selon
moi. C'est clair. D'accord. Repeat after me. Selon moi, which
moi.
is according to me. Repeat after me. Conta moi. Repeat after me. Conta moi. Conta
Conta moi.
is also according to me. Repeat, please. Selon moi.
Conta
moi.
selon moi.
Selon moi is according to me. Conta moi, these are the connectors which you're working for. Dramatically will cover up entire thing. Say Claire, Lakhanpal, mademoiselle.
Claire.
So if you will say according to me, और हम use करते हैं and we use these terms. Whatever we are doing over here, we will use in TEF directly. For this reason, we are doing this workshop. Say Claire. So repeat after me. Selon moi, according
Selon
to me. Conta moi, according to me. Repeat after me. Selon moi, according
selon
to
moi.
me. Conta moi.
Conta moi.
Repeat after me. आप बोलते for my point of view, for my part, हम ये बोलते हैं जैसे आप बोलते हो for my point of view, for my part, as for me, according to me. So what to say in French? और हम ये यूज करते हैं जब हम ओरल में जब जाते हैं ना स्पीकिंग में हम ये सारी टर्म्स यूज करते हैं according to me, as for me. Say Claire. So repeat after me.
Claire.
The more kote. The more kote. आप कभी
Demo
यूज करते हैं कि for my side I want to say that, for my side कि अपनी तरफ से मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ अपनी तरफ से for my side. The more kote. Repeat after me.
Conte.
The more kote. ये हमारा टैफ है. This is we are working for टैफ. आप बोलते हो on my side I want to say that. On my side, kote we have side basically. Kote. Can you repeat please? Kote.
Côté.
Kote we have side. On my side. Damo kote. Konta moi. Repeat after me. Konta moi.
Conta moi.
According to
Conta
me. According to me. Damapach. Repeat after me. Damapach.
par.
It means on my part. जैसे आप बोलते हो कि on my part अपनी तरफ से मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ अपनी तरफ से मेरी मेरी मैं ये सोचती हूँ मतलब सेलोमुआ से क्लैर इसको रिपीट करो कैसे बोलना है आपको कैन यू रिपीट प्लीज व्हाट इज कौनता मुआ मादमुजल लकलपाल कौनता मुआ
According to me.
यस व्हाट इज दमो कोते
Demo côté on my side.
यस वेरी गुड व्हाट इज दमा पाख on my
On my
part
part.
very good what is सेलोमुआ according to me say Claire Paramjeet Kaur is it clear to you
Yes.
so repeat
Yes.
after me कौन because you know what हम ये टर्म्स तो यूज करते ही हैं कि मेरे तरफ से तो मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि और ये यूज होती है टेफ में डायरेक्टली whatever we are using we are doing practice first for this say Claire so repete après moi conta moi
Conta moi.
Conta moi.
de ma part say Claire
Demo.
selon moi अब इन vocab को रिपीट करते हैं say Claire vocab
Claire.
हैवी नहीं हो रही है आपको टेल मी प्लीज
Sorry.
vocab हैवी तो नहीं हो रही है आपको
सही लर्न करने के बाद चलेगा।
नो प्रॉब्लम। चलो मैं और वो क्या फिर ऐड, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि वी विल नॉट ऐड न्यू वोकैबुलरीज, पहले इसी की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। क्लियर? ओके, तो इसको
Okay.
रिपीट करो प्लीज। दे प्लास से, बोलो दे प्लास से
Déplacer. Lutter.
ल्यूटे
Lutter.
combattre
Combattre.
battre
Battre.
se battre
Se battre.
disputer
Disputer.
se bagarrer
Se bagarrer.
au lieu de
Au lieu de.
instable
Stable.
inégal
Inégal.
perturbé
Perturbé.
incertain
Incertain.
non acquitté
Non acquitté.
méfiant
Méfiant.
méfier
Méfier.
sans habitants. Répétez après moi.
Sans
Sans
habitants.
habitants. C'est clair? Now repeat after me. Conseil. Conseil
Conseil.
is to advise. L'avis. Repeat after me. L'avis. L'avis
La
is your
vie.
opinion. So repeat after me. Selon moi.
Selon moi. Selon moi.
Quant à moi. Repeat please. Quant à moi.
Quant à moi.
Contre-moi.
De mon côté.
De mon
De mon
côté.
côté.
De mon
De
côté.
ma part.
De ma part.
Now, how we can read this? Now, déplacer, we use for déménager. Repeat after me. Déménager.
Déménager.
Repeat karo language ko please. Déménager.
Déménager.
Repeat please. Repeat karo please. Déménager is the synonym of déplacer. Repeat after me. Déménager. Can you repeat, please?
Déménager.
Déménager is the synonym
Oui.
for déplacer. Déménager. Déménager is to relocate. Déménager we have, because we have déménager e के ऊपर हमारा a agu symbol आएगा. So repeat after me. Déménager.
Déménager.
Déménager c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre relocate. Relocation. Déménager. Repeat after me. Déménager.
Déménager.
C'est
Déménager.
clair? Movement करना. Déménager. Déplacer. Movement करना. To move from one place to another, déménager. To move from one place to another, se déplacer. To relocate. C'est clair?
Clair.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So repeat the language, please. Déménager. Déplacer. इसको repeat करो 4 times. Déménager. Déplacer. Repeat please. बोलो language को. Déménager.
Déménager. Déplacer.
Déplacer. Déménager. Déplacer. Repeat please. Déménager.
Déménager. Déplacer.
Déménager. Déplacer. Au lieu
Déplacer.
de. Au lieu de is instead of. Au lieu de. Repeat after me. Au lieu de. C'est
Au
clair?
lieu de.
So, quant à moi. Repeat after me. Quant à moi.
Quant à
Contre-moi.
moi.
Selon moi.
Selon moi.
Selon moi.
De mon côté.
De mon côté.
De ma part.
De ma part.
De ma part.
Inégal.
Inégal.
Égal.
Instable.
Stable.
Stable.
Perturbé.
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 Incertain. मीनिंग सभी को पता लग रहा है आपको? Incertain, uncertainty. Non acquitté. Répétez après moi. Non
Non
acquitté.
acquitté.
Méfiant, suspicious, mistrustful. So which is méfiant. Méfier is to beware of. Méfier. méfier, sans habitants. Répétez après moi.
Os habitants.
Sans habitants.
Quant à moi, repeat after me. Quant à moi,
Conta-moi,
selon moi,
Conta-moi.
selon-moi,
Selon moi.
de mon côté,
de mon
De mon
côté,
côté.
de ma part,
de ma part,
De ma part.
conseil,
conseil,
la vie,
Conseil.
la vie.
la vie.
La vie.
Is it clear to you? So use these terms. Repeat, please. करो इसको repeat दोबारा से. Repeat the term, please. Okay, Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, repeat, please. And Chima Mademoiselle, repeat, please.
Déplacer,
Déplacer,
déménager,
lutter. क्योंकि हमें
lutter,
ऐसे
Déplacer.
combattre,
करना है ये टर्म कि आपके माइंड में वही चीजें बहुत सिंपल लगे फिर आपको lutter, combattre, se battre, disputer, se bagarre. Repeat, please, because we are working for read aloud program. Read aloud, please. Read on, please.
déplacer, lutter, combattre, battre, se battre, disputer, se bagarrer, au lieu de pratiquer,
Employer, utiliser, consommer,
amical, employé,
Okay, one by
amical.
one. Okay, one by one. Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, speak on, please.
déplacer, lutter, combattre, battre, se battre, disputer, se bagarrer, au lieu de pratiquer, consommer, énégal, employer, utiliser, stable, perturber, asserter, non acquitter, méfier, se
Sans
habiller,
habitants.
aux habitants,
Very good. Try
conseil,
being. Mhm.
conseil, la vie, seulement, quant à moi, de mon côté, de
Very
mon
good.
côté,
Try
de
being.
ma part.
Very good. Can you repeat, Mademoiselle Chima?
Oui.
Mhm.
Déplacer, lutter, combattre, battre, s'abattre, disputer, s'abagarrer, au lieu de pratiquer, employer, utiliser, consommer, inégal, stable, perturber,
Perturber.
perturber,
Mhm.
insortant, non
Incertain.
incertain,
Mhm.
non acquitté,
Mhm.
méfier, sans habitants,
Mhm.
conseiller, la vie, selon moi, contre moi, de moi côté, contre moi, de ma part.